The University of Santo Tomas Growling Tigresses have their sights set on the UAAP Season 88 crown as they gear up for their much-anticipated revenge season. For the full story, here's Justin Ilano with the report.
The UST Growling Tigresses fell just a few points short of clinching the title in the inaugural invitational tournament of the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League or WMPBL. Despite the loss, the team believes the lessons they gained from the tournament will be a major advantage as they head into UAAP Season 88 Women's Basketball, where they're once again expected to be among the top contenders for the championship. Sophomore guard Karil Sherba says the experience of going head-to-head with professional teams in the WMPBL has been a big boost to her confidence.
Yung malaking natutunan ko dito is kung paano talaga makipag-compete sa mga mas lalong maraming experience sa akin, especially sa mga pro league.
However, Sherba emphasizes that the team still has a lot to work on if they hope to secure a spot in the UAAP Season 88 Women's Basketball Finals.
Siyempre, ang dami namin kailangan i-adjust pa sa lahat ng mga mistake namin dito. And ayun, magiging mas matured kami sa mga laro na nagawa namin dito, especially sa mga teammate namin kung ano yung mga communication namin na mali, kailangan namin i-improve talaga.
Meanwhile, Kent Jane Pastrana is set to play her final UAAP season for the Tigresses. Before she bids farewell to the collegiate basketball scene, she's determined to once again lead UST in their quest to bring the women's basketball crown back to España.
Siyempre yung goal namin, papasok pa rin kami sa finals and makuha yung champion ulit. And yun, pagtatrabaho namin ulit, pagbalik, and hopefully lahat kami mas maraming natutunan siyempre sa ligan to ni Coach Heidi.
With this being her final year in the collegiate ranks, the 24-year-old star forward says she's grateful and excited to already have opportunities waiting for her in the pro leagues after her college career.
Sobrang thankful ako kasi ayun nga, parang binigyan ulit ng opportunity yung women's basketball dito sa Pilipinas. Lalo na paunti-unti nakikilala na kami yung women's basketball. And syempre excited kami na after college may mapupuntahan kami and malaking opportunity din sa ibang mga basketballista.
Pastrana and Sherba are also competing in the ongoing UAAP Season 87 3x3 basketball where they will aim to defend their title. Justin Ilano from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.